Fool me once, I'm mad. Fool me twice. How could you?
1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Divide into 12 and place on a prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes.
Fool me 3 times, you're officially that guy, okay? I ain't having that shit!